So this is my second cruise ever with Royal Caribbean. We're gonna go on Liberty of the Seas today, but this is Nassau's first. You excited?
Hell yeah.
Finally on the cruise. We made it on. And we started with shots. Right? So cheers. Cheers to your birthday and cheers to new beginnings. Starting out strong.
Which color you want?
I want the pink one. I already have the pink one, the red one. Let me get this one for me. Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Should I?
Go ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I have that one at home.
So if you're looking for the Coco machine, it's over there, yeah? We have two in the Windjammer too.
Okay. Thank you. Way to our bus station. Honestly, she couldn't see from afar, but I have glasses, so I can
B11.
see. So we'll know we're looking to B11.
B11. We have a couple drinks in us.
Honestly, I just want to leave my stuff in the room now because this is annoying.
Too much. Okay, it's right here.
Assembly station to meet your family.
The mirror. Hello.
Remember when we went to the
Vacation
amphitheater and you
vibes.
met the Royal Caribbean performers? Can you show
The
us what
beds.
the pad looks like?
There's 3 of us in here. And then our balcony. Y'all, this is our balcony. Whoa. There's 1 and 2 cruise ships, including ours. Liberty of the Seas, Royal Caribbean.
So one thing they didn't notice is that we did purchase the beach club, the Royal Beach Club here in Nassau with our drink package. And so they were doing promotions when we first bought it, and we were one of the lucky ones. We got it included. As well as tomorrow when we go to Coco, we're going to be in the Hideaway Beach Club. That's going to be cool too. So it's beach club after beach club, right? Yes, ma'am. Chill Island is that way, right? That's Chill Island. This is Pearl Island. Well, we gotta find Hideaway Beach Cove. It says Hideaway is that way. So
The trips, pizzas, lingerie sticks, and much more. Also, one of the largest heated infinity pools.
this is
With a
really beautiful.
DJ inside the pool and a huge warm-up bar. That's where the party's at, in the pool with the DJ. Beautiful beaches that hide away. Also, we have a towel station, freshwater shower station also. This is the pump station. We pick you up if you find 10 minutes. Please take off the roll cards, CMOS cards. Welcome to Hideaway Beach, folks. Welcome.
Last thing. Now como lo es no debe morir jamás. So she's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. So I convinced her for us to do an hour and a half tour here in Fort Lauderdale because we have like a layover. We got out of the cruise at 9 a.m. We're gonna be here until like what 5? Yeah, 4 or 5. Our flight is at 5. So I said, let's go explore Fort Lauderdale. Why? Because we're never gonna be here again. I don't think so, unless we're taking another cruise out here.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night. Windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah.